Many of you ask, how do I accept online payments for my job servicing business? So today I'll be showing you several ways to accept payments from your job servicing clients, as well as how to prompt payment for your job servicing business. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is May, and on this channel I aim to help online entrepreneurs grow their online business and create a massive online income. So if you are new here, do consider subscribing to my channel and click the little bell so that you won't miss any of my future videos. Today's tutorial is going to be super important because it's about accepting payment. So make sure that you pay attention to this tutorial because I'll be showing you several ways on how you can accept online payment from your job servicing clients. The very common way that I use to accept payment would be through bank transfer. Most of my clients are local, which they are in Singapore. So the most common way for me to accept payment will be through bank transfer, or what we also know as PayNow. So PayNow in Singapore is super convenient because you just need to know that person's contact number in order for you to send the payment over. So this is the most common way that I use on a daily basis to accept payment. For my job servicing business, I'm selling different types of services. Most of the time, these services involves different packages and different services, so it is going to be a custom service. So when it comes to custom services and custom packages, I need to issue invoice. So later on in this video, I'll be showing you step by step how I create an invoice for all the job servicing deals that I close. The second method that I always use to accept online payment will be via Stripe. You can sign up for a Stripe account for free, and what I like about Stripe is the fees are actually lower than PayPal. And the next thing is you can generate an invoice on Stripe platform itself. So on the Stripe dashboard, you can go to Customers, and under Customers tab, you can actually find Invoice, whereby you can generate invoice and prompt payment from there. You can then send the invoice link directly to your client to collect payment. The third way that I use to accept online payments will be via my website. I have a job servicing website which uses Shopify as the platform, and on this platform itself, I can accept Shopify payments. So I accept major credit cards as my payment. And lastly, for those services that I listed on online marketplaces like eBay, I will accept payment via PayPal. So this is a very common way that I use on eBay. If there's any services or any deals that I clinch through eBay, they will just purchase it through my eBay PayPal account. So just now I mentioned about generating invoice. Whenever you have a custom order, then you need to generate invoice for your clients. So I like to generate invoice using Canva.com because they have a lot of template there, and I can save my template. Whenever I have a custom order from my client, I will generate invoice on Canva and I will export the invoice as PDF. So right now, let me show you on Canva.com how you can generate the invoice. So right now I'm on Canva.com, and on the search bar, all you need to do is search for invoice. Okay, and there you have it. You have a lot of invoice templates. So these are the templates that you can choose and match your brand color. I have generated templates for invoice as well as quotation. If you have clients that request for you to do quotes, you can also make them on Canva.com. So let me show you my templates. These are all my brand colors, and I have generated invoice templates as well as quotation templates here. So for example, I've done this video animation, and this is the price that I charge. So I have all the information as well as the payment information. So list down all the description and the price, what is included in your package, and then the most important thing will be the payment details. So like I mentioned just now, I usually will do a bank transfer. So the popular way of bank transfer here will be through PayNow. So I'll put the payment details at the bottom here, and after that, just need to export as PDF. Okay, save this as PDF print, and you can download the page. So for example, I want to save this page 7, right? This is page 7. I just need to download this. Yeah, go to untick all, and then just go to page 23. Yeah, and then done. And then after that, just download this page as PDF. That's all. So I will usually email my clients the PDF copy of this invoice or the quotation. So this is exactly how I accept online payment, and I hope that this tutorial is helpful to you. If you have any questions regarding drop servicing, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll make a video for you. So that's all for my video today. I will see you in my next one. Bye bye.